Pigeons may seem harmless, but their behavior could be sending urgent warning signs about our urban environments. Picture yourself walking through a bustling city when a flock suddenly takes flight, chaotic yet oddly synchronized. What if these birds are signaling that our cities are in trouble and we're not equipped to understand their distress? Many people don't realize that AI technologies designed to enhance urban living are misreading these vital signals. Imagine an AI system analyzing pigeon behavior for city planning. It sounds smart, but what if it overlooks crucial signs of environmental stress? This misinterpretation could lead to disastrous decisions about green spaces, public health, and our overall quality of life. Consider this scenario: a new park, built on AI data, looks perfect. But what if the pigeons nearby are acting strangely, hinting at pollution or disease? Families enjoying the park might be blissfully unaware of hidden dangers, creating a false sense of security that leaves us vulnerable to serious issues. As these concerns mount, think about how different our urban spaces could be if AI accurately interpreted those warning signs. We could foster healthier environments and safer communities. Awareness is key. Recognizing these pigeon warning signs isn't just for scientists, it's for everyone navigating our streets. So, the next time you see a flock of pigeons, don't ignore them. What are they trying to tell us? This insight could change everything. In a city driven by innovation, let's not forget to listen. Our feathered friends might just hold the key to a smarter, healthier future. Have you ever considered how urban pigeons can impact city planning? It's surprising that something so common could be misunderstood by advanced technology. These birds are more than just part of the city, they highlight a deeper issue. Picture this: you're strolling through a bustling city, surrounded by towering buildings and the sounds of honking cars. You notice a group of pigeons cooing softly as they peck at crumbs. What if I told you their behavior could actually influence urban development? Sounds wild, right? But stick with me. City planners are increasingly using AI to analyze animal behavior, hoping these algorithms can capture the nuances of urban wildlife. However, the unsettling truth is that AI often misinterprets stress signals in pigeons. You might be asking, how does this affect you? Imagine a developer planning a new park based on the observation that pigeons are thriving in a specific area. But what if those pigeons are actually stressed, signaling an issue that the AI fails to detect? Making the wrong assumptions could lead to poor decisions that affect entire neighborhoods, potentially displacing wildlife or disrupting ecosystems. Now, think about the community impact. A new park might attract more visitors, which seems great at first. But what if the pigeons leave, turning a once vibrant habitat into an empty space? In its quest for progress, the city could unintentionally create a void both for wildlife and community connections. As we dive deeper into this topic, it's crucial to recognize the high stakes. Misreading these behaviors could harm urban wildlife and alter the very fabric of our cities. What happens when a space meant for community interaction becomes lifeless? In a world increasingly reliant on technology, this is where the tension lies. The risk isn't just about pigeons, it's about our willingness to acknowledge the limitations of AI. This serves as a wake-up call, reminding us to be cautious about what we accept as truth. So, what's the solution? What's the solution? We need to enhance our understanding of animal behavior alongside our technological tools. By integrating expert insights and prioritizing ecological health, we can make more informed decisions. Advocating for a holistic approach ensures that urban planning is guided not only by data but also by the needs of living beings. Next time you see a pigeon, think about the silent signals it might be sending. It's more than just a bird, it's a reminder of our responsibility. We can't afford to overlook these cues. Let's start conversations about how we want our cities to evolve. If you found this interesting, please consider sharing it. After all, awareness is the first step toward meaningful change. Have you ever stopped to think about what those pigeons in your city are really up to? You might assume they were just cooing and pecking, but there's a deeper story that could impact your daily life. But there's assume the stowing Imagine the city planners are using AI to analyze pigeon behavior in urban areas. Sounds harmless, right? But what if I told you that relying on this technology could lead to questionable decisions about how our cities are designed? AI often oversimplifies complex behaviors. It processes data and gives planners what they want to hear, but it misses the subtle nuances of life on our streets. This can have serious consequences for the design of parks, public spaces, and transportation systems. Picture yourself in a park where the seating is all wrong or the layout makes it hard to relax. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about the essence of urban living, and it all starts with misinterpreting what pigeons are really doing. Now, think about a bustling city square. Pigeons gather, people feed them, and they become part of the vibrant scene. But what if AI detects a pattern and suggests removing those pigeons entirely?